Oh, he lost his sponge. That's Sweet Pea, puppy number 8. He carrying a sponge. Look at I don't know where he's going with it, but he wants it. They use that to wipe them down when they're eating their food. It's a puppy. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Pumpkin. The twins. There's a rare moment. Let's stall on Kobe. Kobe's got a little mark on his forehead, but it might disappear. Hi, babies. Hello. And they're a lot alike. Personality. Oh, look, there goes the sponge again. Who's got it? Sweet Pea and his sponge. It's priceless. Look, there's Bella, and look, Pumpkin's still napping in my lap. Despite it all, she's just curled up. It's nice and warm and cozy. Bella right beside her, but a little more playful. Come on, Bella, come tuck in. Get cozy with your sister. What you got to say? Are you telling me a story? Oh, look at a story. I had to go get him.